Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel, and here we go again with another critique video. If you are new here, be sure to check out some of my other videos. I've been taking some of my old spit paint challenges, which are just 30-minute practice drawings, and going over things that I like and don't like. And can I just say, oh my gosh, it's not a landscape! Yay, former Sarah! This was a lot of fun for me. I really got out of my comfort zone for this one. I didn't like doing anything with straight lines, much less anything that resembled a human, and the subject was actually facing forward. I can't believe it. I actually really like the lighting on this one too. It's kind of that same color scheme of gold and blues that I really like, but the hues are a little different. It's not great, but I think this was a really good piece for me to experiment with. I totally didn't even put a shadow on the box, and my shadows were way too dark. I think I also would have offset the leg in the background so that it looked more disconnected and give it a little bit more depth. So that's my thoughts on this one. Check out the link in the description to get on my email list and enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you later, peeps.